Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a quick but complete guide on how to integrate Printful with your Prestashop store in 2025. If you've been looking for a simple way to connect your Prestashop shop with Printful's print-on-demand services, this guide is all you need. By the end of this video, you'll have everything fully integrated and ready to start selling. Let's get started. Printful setup. First, head over to Printful and log into your account. If you don't already have one, sign up. It's completely free. Once you're logged in, go to the Stores section on your Printful dashboard. From the list of available platforms, select Prestashop. Now click Connect. Printful will then prompt you to download their official Prestashop integration module file. Save this file to your computer. We'll be using it in the next step. Prestashop module installation. Now log into your Prestashop admin area. Make sure you're using an account with full admin access. On the left menu, go to Modules and then select Module Manager. Here, click on Upload a Module. A box will appear where you can either drag and drop the file or manually select it. Choose the Printful module file you downloaded earlier. Prestashop will automatically upload and install the module for you. Final configuration. Once the installation is successful, you'll see an option to configure the module. Click on it. At this point, Printful will ask you to connect the integration using your API key. To get that, go back to your Printful dashboard, copy the provided API key, and paste it into the Prestashop module configuration field. Click Save, and that's it. Your Prestashop store is now officially integrated with Printful. From here, you can start syncing your products, pushing them directly from Printful to your store, and letting Printful handle all the printing, packaging, and shipping. It's really that simple. And there you have it. Your Prestashop store is now connected with Printful in just a few minutes. This integration is going to save you tons of time while giving your customers a seamless shopping experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. And if you run into any issues during the process, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help.